Ready to move your Ethereum from Coinbase to Binance with ease? Let's dive right in. First, head over to Binance and log into your account if you don't have one. You'll need to sign up once you're logged in. Navigate to your wallet or funds section. Look for the deposit option. It's usually found in the top navigation bar or side menu. On the deposit page, select Ethereum or ETH from the list of cryptocurrencies. Be absolutely certain you choose ETH, as sending to the wrong address could result in permanent loss of funds. Next, the network will need to be selected. Select the Ethereum network, ERC20. Binance will then generate a unique ETH deposit address for you. This address is crucial, so copy it carefully. Double-check every number and letter. You can also use the QR code for deposit via the Binance app. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account and log in. Locate your ETH wallet. Inside your ETH wallet, click on the Send or Withdraw button. This is where you'll initiate the transfer to Binance. In the recipient address field, carefully paste the ETH deposit address you copied from Binance. Again, double-check that it's exactly the same. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Coinbase will usually display the transaction fees associated with the transfer. Review all the details one last time before confirming the transaction. Coinbase might require additional verification steps, such as a two-factor authentication code, so follow the prompts. Once the transaction is confirmed on Coinbase, it will be processed and sent to the Ethereum network. It might take some time for the transaction to be confirmed. Depending on network congestion, you can track the progress of your transaction on both Coinbase and Binance. Transaction history. After sufficient confirmations, your ETH will appear in your Binance wallet.